post-lunch sessions are normally very hard to facilitate. And I'm sure we, with all our sincerity to learn from this session, will be very much intact. And of course, speaker's profile will ensure it. Let's play a quick brain exercise and then we'll move into the next session. I would request everyone in this room to think a number from 2 to 9. Think of any number. For God's sake, please don't write, because we have a very bad habit of cheating. In my workshops, I recommend write your name and the person is looking, and I just ask him what you're looking at. I'm just looking, he's writing Mr. or not. So that's surprising. So don't write anything. It's a very simple thing, very simple trick. We'll play it in our minds. Think of a number from 2 to 9. Done? Multiply that number with 9. Done? Fantastic. Now math says you have a 2-digit number. What I would request you to do is add those digits. For example, if you have 62, add 6 and 2, that makes 8. You have a 2-digit answer, add both digits. If it's 62, for example, you make it 6 plus 2, 8, right? Fantastic. Subtract 5. Subtract 5. Done? Zabardast. Now you have one number. What I want you to do is, I want you to think of a relevant alphabet. For 1, it's A. For 2, it's B. For 3, it's C. For 4, it's D. For 5, it's E, F, and it goes on. So if you have, the number with you is 3, your alphabet is C. Are you done with the relevant alphabet? Fantastic. Think of a country that starts with that alphabet. Think of a country's name that starts with that alphabet. Done? Done. Now take the alphabet at which the country name last. The last alphabet of the country. Think of an animal starting from that alphabet. Fantastic. The last alphabet of animal's name. Think of a color that starts with that alphabet. The last alphabet in animal's name. Think of a color that starts with that alphabet. Done? Now all of you who have done it, who have a country, an animal, and a color, please stand up. Wow. And those, I'm sure, there might be a few who goofed up. उनको कुछ समझ नहीं आया बीच में क्या हुआ, but fantastic. Those who are standing, keep standing, keep standing, keep standing. Those who have solved. We have all 3 answers. Fantastic. Those sit down who have Denmark, kangaroo, and orange. Those sit down who have Denmark, kangaroo, and orange. Your country is? Fantastic. Can we have a big round of applause for him? And your country?
I've taken Dubai as a country.
Okay, Zabardast. Fantastic. And let me tell you something very interesting. In one of my seminars where I was doing it, there was a person sitting at the end and he was standing. And I asked, what's your country? He said, Dadu. And मैंने उसको बोला कि ऐसा नहीं है. So we are all set. It's just about how हम सबकी limited vocabulary होती है, quick vocabulary होती है, something that strikes to our mind. One thing which I wanted to do since morning, but time को हम catch नहीं कर पा रहे थे. Now we are very much intact of time. I want those of you to stand up who are into the business in whatever capacity for 1 year or more. All fresh graduates? Huh? May I request you to please stand up if you are into the industry for 1 year or more. Please stand up. I can't believe we have so many fresh graduates. Fantastic. May I humbly request you to please stand up? And if you aren't standing up, I don't know why. Okay. Fantastic. Can we clap for ourselves? कोई बैठेगा नहीं. Can we clap for ourselves? We are doing a good job. Huh? We are doing a good job. Zabardast. Now I want those to stand up, baki baith jayenge, who are into the business for last 10 years or more. I just want to see the faces of individuals who are into the business for last 10 years or more. This is amazing. So those who are sitting, can we all clap for them? Last, filtration. I want those to stand up, remain standing in fact, who are in business for last 20 years or more. Can I have a big round of applause for these people? Whoops. One more to go. One more to go. Can I see individuals who are into the business for last 25 years or more? All those who have been into the industry for last 25 years or more. Now, it's not this clapping that I am looking for. Now I want you people to sit down, rest of you to stand up, and give them a large round of applause. You have certainly made a great contribution to the overall industry that we are witnessing today. It's time to get on with our session, and it's my greatest privilege to invite someone from a company that undoubtedly have revolutionized the entire corporate mindset of this country. I'm honored to introduce Mr. Sarfaraz A. Rahman, CEO, Angro Foods, to come over on the stage and preside the session. Sir.
I'm here obviously to sort of chair this innovation session. Just a small preamble, and it's small because really people sitting here don't really need introduction into innovation. When anyone really born this side of the 70s or really in the 60s, they have faced what probably has not happened in the history of mankind ever. The quick change, the new things which have come into life. When I started my career at Unilever 25 plus years ago, we used to communicate and send reports by teleprinter. And today, the computers talk to each other. In the 60s, the supercomputers used to be larger than this hall. And today, 10 times more powerful computers sit on your desk. So, the whole ball game has changed. We are into nanotechnology. I remember manual typewriters when I first started. So innovation has happened. Technology has mainly led it, but there has been other forms of innovation. Innovation in logistics, innovation in retailing, innovation in the way of life. And that sort of leads me into introducing Miss Christina Neiszel, who is the director of Disruptive Play, a company in Dubai. She tells me innovation is a way of life, and we cannot live without it. So I'll let her do the talking. So if you please come up.
Good afternoon, everyone. And what I will talk about today is how thinking differently and doing things differently can actually help you to build yourself out of a recession, out of a hole, and create skills and capabilities for the 21st century organization. So what I want you to do now is sit back, relax, think, reflect, but don't fall asleep. I know it's just after lunch, so I know it's a challenge. Let me see if I can take a picture. Okay. I named this presentation